Behavioral behavior is the range of actions and mannerisms made by organisms, systems, or artificial entities in conjunction with themselves or their environment, which includes the other systems or organisms around as well as the physical environment. It is the response of the system or organism to various stimuli or inputs, whether internal or external, conscious or subconscious, overt or covert, and voluntary or involuntary. Biology. Although there is some disagreement as to how to precisely define behavior in a biological context, one common interpretation based on a meta-analysis of scientific literature states that behavior is the internally coordinated responses of whole living organisms to internal and/or external stimuli. Behaviors can be either innate or learned. Behavior can be regarded as any action of an organism that changes its relationship to its environment. Behavior provides outputs from the organism to the environment. Human behavior is believed to be influenced by the endocrine system and the nervous system. It is most commonly believed that complexity in the behavior of an organism is correlated to the complexity of its nervous system. Generally, organisms with more complex nervous systems have a greater capacity to learn new responses and thus adjust their behavior. Other fields, behavior outside of psychology includes physical property and chemical reactions. Earth sciences. In environmental modeling and especially in hydrology, a behavioral model means a model that is acceptably consistent with observed natural processes, that is, that simulates well, for example, observed river discharge. It is a key concept of the so-called generalized likelihood uncertainty estimation methodology to quantify how uncertain environmental predictions are. Management. In management, behaviors are associated with desired or undesired focuses. Managers generally note what the desired outcome is, but behavioral patterns can take over. These patterns are the reference to how often the desired behavior actually occurs. Before a behavior actually occurs, antecedents focus on the stimuli that influence the behavior that is about to happen. After the behavior occurs, consequences fall into place. They can come in the form of rewards or punishments. See also. References. Further reading: Plumin, Robert. De Vries, John C. Knoplik, Valerie S. Genium Niederheiser. Behavioral Genetics. Sean Purcell. Worth Publishers. ISBN A978-1-4292-4215-8. Retrieved September 4, 2013. Les Sommeria, Flint, Jonathan. Greenspan, Ralph J. Kendler, Kenneth S. How Genes Influence Behavior. Oxford University Press. ISBN A978-0-19-955990-9. Les Sommeria, External Links. Links to review articles by Eric Turkheimer and co-authors on behavior research, A Unified Theory of Human Behavior.